Choose the word that is most nearly opposite to the word in capital letters, mundane. Now mundane, like many other words in these type of questions, has more than one meaning. And we're going to see in the answer options, this plays a role in deciding which is the correct answer. So first let's define mundane, and it has two meanings as we said. One is boring, and the other is earthly, which is a fancy way of saying natural. So bearing this in mind, we're going to go through the answer options and see which is most nearly opposite to it. So the first word is tedious, and tedious tends to mean something's tiring or boring. And as we can see, it matches the first meaning. And as it's a synonym, it's very similar, it's definitely not the opposite, so we can take out the first option. The second word is earthly, and we actually used it to describe mundane, but the second definition. And for this reason, it's also not the opposite, and we can take this option out. The third is supernatural, and we can definitely say it's the opposite of the second meaning. We wrote natural here, so supernatural or unnatural is the opposite of earthly, so we're going to leave it blank. The fourth is uninteresting, and this is like tedious, it's like boring. They're synonyms which are very similar and certainly not the opposite. And the final word is exquisite. And exquisite means something's extremely beautiful or delicate. And whilst you could say it's the opposite of earth or nature or boring, it's not very related, as especially compared to supernatural, which is the opposite of natural. So for this reason, we're going to cross it out, leaving only one option left, supernatural, which is our final answer.